What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I am. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking with me today, man. So I'm on here at the garage or whatever again. So we're doing some work to the BMW today. Still haven't got a name for it. Doing a few simple mods. I don't want to start modding the bike and putting my touches on it. So what I got today is, for one, we're gonna add a new windscreen here. So this is the MRA windscreen. What is it at? Down here, if you're curious, MRA motorcycle windscreen, made by the Germans, used in racing. Should be good for them, it should be good for me. So you can see here, it's gonna actually replace this windscreen here. I actually love this windscreen. It has the black gloss, black tinted, it's smoked out. And as you can see the difference here, this one is just light tinted gray, that is dark tinted. So not sure if y'all can see side by side comparison. So some of y'all might say that this one here looks better aesthetically because it's all black as opposed to that one, but the issues I have with this one is, one, when I'm tucking, it's hard to see through this because it's pitch black. Like, as you can see, like, you can't see through. Like, you might can see through right now, you barely can see my hand. But otherwise, you looking through it there, you see, can't really see through it unless light is coming in directly. Two, it's kind of small, and I'm a taller guy, and the wind be killing me, be hitting me dead in my face, like my head be bobblehead. So I'll show y'all the difference. It's this right here. As what it's gonna look like, how much more space. I get like a whole inch there, probably 2 or 3. So it's gonna offer me a little more protection when I'm riding, so I'm not getting hit all in the face with all that wind, you know. Whoops, crap, it's cute. Being a taller rider, I definitely feel the wind impact from this windscreen. I'm not sure what kind of windscreen this is. On here, it's already on the bike. I mean, it looks good, but so we're gonna remove that today. For one, it's super simple. You just take off these 6 bolts here. They said take off the mirrors in the instructions, but this isn't connected to the mirrors, so I might leave them on and just try to slide it over. If not, I'll just take off the mirrors. It's just these 2 bolts here. So I'm trying to do it without taking off the mirrors. I think you can. And the second thing I got is these spools, rear spools. So they're gonna go here, black and gold, of course, and they're just gonna go right there in that hole. So here, it's gonna look like that when it sits on there. So my theme for this bike, I'm trying to put my touches on it. I do want to go with the black and gold theme for the bike. So that's gonna be the first start. I think I'm gonna go gold and black levers, gold here with the black there, black tank with gold little strip thingy there. We go to little black and gold frame sliders. And eventually I'll get to the rear set, swap those out for all black. So that's just my plans. And also the chain, the new chain I will get one day, is gonna be, it has a black and gold appearance. So it's gonna be black and gold. I'm trying not to overdo it with black and gold everywhere. You know, I might go black just with the gold notch on my levers, not sure yet. May do gold bar ends too. Anyway, that's just my plans for the bike. Should be a quick job. This uses a T20 to get these out. And then that down there, these spools, I'm not sure what they use, but anyway, so it should be super instant. You got like a little tube thing in here that they provide you that goes over the windscreen. I'll get into all that. So anyway, let's get started. Unscrew. I see why you take out the mirrors now, but that's tight and cute. That was actually pretty loose. So we just gonna take this out. All right, got that. That's one of them. Has a little rubber washer on here too, if y'all can see there. Make sure you keep that. Just go ahead and unloose all these. I'm just unloosing these first, and then I'll come back to y'all once I get them all undone. Okay guys, so I got my 6 screws out there, so now this should just slide off like that. Should be pretty easy. Just work it out. Boom, just like that. Yep, nice and easy. So you will be reusing these plugs here. So I have to take these out, and we're gonna have to put them in the new windscreen over there. I'm not sure what windscreen this is. If you want it, let me know. I mean, it's nice and dark, but yeah, so that's what we're going to. A lot more coverage. So now let's take these out, these little garments out. We have to reuse them and put them in here. So the best way to get these out is just fold one piece, one side, and then just pull it out like that. I'm gonna tell you right now, getting this rubber garment in is super difficult. It's not hard, but you gotta really squeeze it, bring it through the hole. That's giving me some trouble. Two, I found out that I only need these 4. These 2 don't go back on there. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to remove them. I just wanna let you know that it is tough to get this in there. You just gotta be patient and really finagle it in there. So I got all 4 of my rivets in, as you can see. Let me go ahead and wipe this down because I was touching it with my hand. So this is, like I said, MRA Double Bubble Windscreen. It's supposed to be shatterproof and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead now. Just take it per the instructions and just slide this back in. Just like straight down. Pinch it just a bit. Oops. This out there. Okay. I think that's pretty much even. Okay, lined up there. Oh, there we go. There we go. I like it. I like it. It's not dark, but I definitely now can see through. Let's go ahead and put them back in here. Guys, so the windscreen is now on, as you can see, and there's one more step you have to do, and they give you this tube thing here, and basically it runs across here to kind of finish it up. You don't have to put it on there if you don't want to, but basically it's already slit for you right here down the middle there, and then you just take these 2 clamps they give you here. Oh, there they go. Come on, baby. Yeah, these 2 clamps, and you use some pliers and you squeeze them on. So let's go ahead and try to do this really quick. You're just gonna take this, and slide it on there like so. Kind of going. Here we go. I don't know though. Honestly, I don't know how I like this on there. I mean, that's how it's gonna look. Yeah, I don't know. And you're gonna put your clip right down the end there. I don't know. I don't like that way to look. Anyway, let me finish up. I just want to show you I was struggling with it, but now since I started talking, it's kind of just going on there pretty easy. Just gotta find the groove, I guess. So I got the whole thing on. I got a little extra over here on this side. I'm just gonna cut. So now I got the little washer clip thingy on right here, and you're just gonna take this and make sure it's all the way up, holding in place, and you're just gonna squeeze that on there apparently. Close it off like so. There you go. So you just squeeze that together. So cleans it up. It's nice. And so now on this side, see I have a little extra here, so I just need to cut some tubing off right there, and then we'll seal it up. All right guys, so I got it on there. As you can see, it does clean it up pretty nice, I'll be honest with you. Hopefully that stays on there. I did cut it too short right there when I cut the pipe. A little too short. So it kind of missing right there. But anyway, doesn't look bad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these rear spools in. Should be pretty easy. And then should be done. All right guys, so to put this in is a T40. And I'll tag where I got this from. And shout out to my man Jack Be Quick. He told me about these. He's like, hey bro. Well, he just told me about some real spools. He's like, you might want to get some real spools because your stand is on this rubber. It comes with these right here, so I can flip this over and put them on a spool right here. So we just go ahead and tighten that down. I'm not putting Loctite on there. I heard you don't want to put Loctite on these things. In the event you're in a crash, you do want these to break off. You don't want them to be stuck, and you know, so. Yep, it's on there just like that. And now we'll go ahead and put the other side. But I do like these. These are very nice. Once I get everything out color match how I want it, it'll start to look better. There are the rear spools, black and gold. So like I said, the theme is going to be black and gold of the bike anyway. So you'll be able to see, it's gonna look good. I like it. One more look, just in case y'all didn't see the windscreen. That's how it looks now, with the rubber seal on top, finishing it off. Now I can see through. Boom, you know. It's not dark tinted like a smoke gray, as opposed to the old one. And then again, here are the rear spools right there. I'll take those below. They look really good. So we got the new windscreen on, but first of all, there's a nice Mercedes in front of me. I think the thing is beautiful. He's fine too, but I'm taking it easy because I just got on the bike. The tires are pretty cold, but he is pushing it. Let's see if we can play with him a little bit. Oh, he way up there. Damn it. I'm gonna see if I can play with this Mercedes up here really quick. Yeah, let's see what's in with him. Let's see if he'll want to do some rounds as he exited. That boy is clean, clean. Look at that guy. nice car. So I got the windscreen on, and I can instantly tell you automatically that it's much much improved, man. Instead of the wind hitting me in my face now, it's hitting me like in my neck and center chest, which is tolerable, because before it was hitting me dead in my head. So my head was just bobbling all the time. It was kind of annoying. It was made the ride very uncomfortable. So yeah, and I get a lot of wind right here, so I'm cool, making me a lot cooler, because it's super hot outside already in Dallas. So it's providing that cool breeze that's coming straight into my chest area, which I can very much appreciate being in Dallas when it's hot riding, man. Definitely notice a difference with the windscreen. I love the way it looks too. Now that I got it out in the light, when I changed I couldn't see it. Also, you all now can probably better see my dash better, since it's not as tinted. There's more light coming through. Definitely a noticeable difference. Holy crap. Yes. I'm gonna see if I can tuck behind it. I can get a little better tuck. Not really though, cause I'm just big. I won't be able to tuck behind this thing. But yes, the wind flow is definitely a lot better, man. Holy crap. I'm not getting that much wind noise in my helmet either, which is always a plus. Definitely recommend the MRA bubble windscreen here. It's, yeah, price for the money. Anyway, that's all I got. Catch y'all next space. Peace.